there's one thing every Jamaican know about a good arson. The whole of we used to get some dirty lick. Who remember when them used to lick? What? You see that? Who remember when them used to lick? I too much beating me get in my head, you know. But who remember when them used to get some good arson? Some dirty, musty lick? I mean, you cannot tear. When you lick there reach you are runway. They back you up in one corner and just a lace you. Like a slavery days. So kunta kinte lick. Yes, master. Tell me your name. Name is Toby. What your name? Toby is the name. I remember when I used to get beat. Papa Jesus. I used to get lick out of slippers, belt, electric card, map tick, broom tick, guava stick. Dirty stinking guava stick. Right now, I hate guava. I have a fear of anything that is guava. I don't go near guava trees because I just feel like them will just root up themselves and start tear me kin. That's how much I used to get beaten with dirty stinking guava stick. Beatings used to take a certain format. First of all, you used to get the warning. And in the warning them would have sound something like, no left the yard. Go be down the ramp in our bathroom. Tap ramp in our house. Go to your homework. No teeth. No fight. Cannot zero come in here and see what happened to you. Go clean your school shoes. No back answer me. No come out of the yard. For some reason you always get a warning twice. But as a child, you're fool. So you know what you do? Everything with them tell you not to do. Reason being, that's how the fun did there. And when you do it now, you might the next door and just hear something like this. Kevin! Kevin! Walk boat dog! Walk boat dog! Come in the yard! Come in the yard! You know what got when you hear the calling? Your whole day just get free when you hear the calling. Because you know see some lick. So you take time walk go home now. Sit down all out the door for all a good half hour. Now go inside. You see beating always had some key moments where me can't forget them. Parents do this thing. Enough of them love do it. When them see you, them stand up in the doorway and give you a little pass for squeeze through. Pass. You well hesitant. But you go lick me. Me I go lick you. I gonna tear you up. It's a fit pass! And wait till you almost get through, then you just tear you one across your back. You just shut off. Another key point for me remember too, are the lick there. That one lick there will just soak to the bone. When the lick they put on, you want to take it off. The whole of we know that face here. Just take in a deep breath. And then that deep breath just can't find its way out. No matter what you do. So you just start look around. At this point, the only thing going through your head is, me I go dead. Me I go dead. Jesus Christ, me I go dead. Me can't breathe. And just before you swear say I go dead now, 5, 4, 3, 2, right on time. Also getting beaten the Jamaican way, you used to have 5 types of beaters. The first type, the command, then beat. Me say fi go beat. Then you have the question, then beat. Me never tell you say you know fi come out of yard. Then you have the statement ratio beater. The one you know, with every word that come out of them mouth, you get a lick feed. You never hear me say you no fi come out. Sometimes them split words in a syllable where don't even have no syllable for splitting. I feel sorry for all those persons who used to have stomach parents. Papa Jesus, that must have been horrible. You have the, me will kill your parents them now. Well, when them are beaten, that's all them can say. Them put so much energy in a beating you that the only thing that can really come out of their mouth is me will kill you. And more time when them say this, them choke you. Me will kill you, you know, me will kill you. Me will kill you, you know, me will kill you. Me will kill you, me will kill you. Sometimes it sounded like a slicker song to me. Yo, me will kill you, you know, me will kill you. Me will kill you, you know, me will. Yo! Then you have the shut up beat of them now. Them are the one who beat you, and while you holler, them are tell you to shut up. Clapping nice. Shut up, shut up. Me give you nothing for holler for. It's not only a physical beating you used to get. Them used to beat you psychologically too. Let me tell you how. You remember when them used to send you for the thing what them gonna use beat you with? That is just really messed up. That's like giving a prisoner some threads and telling him to weave the rope where you're gonna use hang him. I can never forget those days when I used to get them dirty, stinking lick there. But at the end of the day, you have to respect and love your parents. Because all of them lick the way them did give you was for a reason. I mean, look how it turned out. And if Jamaica want to fix the crime problem, parents need to take up back them strap.
Oh, idiot. Yes, man.